Hi, this West Des Moines Community Schools employee tutorial is how you, as a district employee, can submit an item to Valley Vibes. I'm going to navigate to the Valley website by going under Our Schools and then selecting Valley. I'm now on the Valley homepage. To get to Valley Vibes, you can access it either under Parent Resources or under Student Resources. You'll notice that the menu items are in alphabetical order. So you would scroll down to the bottom and click on Valley Vibes. Now you may be familiar in the past with filling out a Google form to submit something to Valley Vibes. However, we're changing some things up now that we have the new district and school websites. You'll see here we have examples of Valley Vibes. And right now, it just looks like you're just viewing it. And that's because I haven't logged in yet. Remember, when you log in, then you have additional options, such as the staff resources section in the menu, which is explained in a previous tutorial. So I'm going to click under Employee Options and sign in. I will then sign in with Google, which is the quickest way to sign in, although you are able to sign in through the other way as well. And when the page refreshes and I've signed in, not only can I now see staff resources in the menu item appear, but when I scroll down, I now see an add button. And that add button is a way for you to submit an item to Valley Vibes. Now, it won't automatically display because Brooke McTavish, who oversees Valley Vibes at Valley High School, will then review the information and be able to get back to you if she has any questions. Otherwise, once she's reviewed it, she can hit accept and it will display. So I'm just going to walk you through how to add a submission for Valley Vibes. You click the add button, and this looks like a blog. Don't be concerned that it's called a blog. It's just the name of the app that we're going to use for Valley Vibes now. So I'm going to input some title to an event or something that I want to have posted. So I may say new scholarship opportunities. And the date that I want it posted is actually the date that I want it to show. So if this was an event, for example, I would not want to put the date of the event in because this particular field of post date is intended to be for the date that you want it to show on the site. So I'm just going to use today's date of the 15th to have it show so you can see, for example, what that might look like. However, if you want to submit something in the future and you want it to show a week from now, you can put that date in, and when Brooke reviews it and approves it, it would then display as of that future date. So for today, I'm just going to put in the 15th, and I can disregard these other two fields. They're really for a time slot, and in most cases, you only need the date and not the time. So that was under general. So I have a title, and I have the date that I want it to show. Then the posting itself, you'll notice, looks a lot like what you may be familiar with in a Google Doc or in Microsoft Word. So I can type in some information here. So I'll put more information about scholarships. I may want to have a contact name, and I can put in Polly Malley, as I know she works in the counseling office. I could create an email to Polly Malley if I wanted to by highlighting that and clicking insert an email address and hit insert link. I can also link to outside websites or other things, but just to show you that you do have flexibility. And then can put a deadline in, and that would really just going along with the scholarship information about is the scholarship deadline. Maybe the scholarship deadline is April 30th. So I'll put that in here. Even though you'll notice I'm going to actually post this today, the scholarship deadline is April 30th. Maybe I want to bold that deadline, so I can do that as well. Hit bold. The author is going to come up as me because I'm the one that is entering it. However, if I wanted it to say that this was a counseling center submission, I could change my name to counseling center, counseling office. And then when it goes to Brooke for review, she'll know I put it in because it's my email address, but the counseling office is really what I want to have displayed publicly. Don't worry, your email address is not going to show on the website. However, if you wanted to have your email address display, again, you would update that in the posting area. Once I'm done, I hit save, and that's it. What will happen is Brooke would then go in and review the information, and once it was approved, then it would be able to be viewed on the Valley Vibes website. If you have any additional questions on this, feel free to reach out to scroffice@wdmcs.org. Otherwise, this new system will allow any West Des Moines Community Schools employee submit to Valley Vibes, have it be reviewed, and then be shown on the Valley Vibes website. One quick thing to note that there are some postings by date as well as by tags. So what Brooke can do is go in and make a couple of tweaks and be able to have any future things have a tag, which is kind of like a filtering down to counseling or scholarships or silver cord, athletics, camps, those types of things. Hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial and hope you have a great day.